Hello, I'm Ravindra Gadar. In the next few minutes, I'll be explaining again about blockchain technology and how it works. Blockchains are very popular today, but what exactly is a blockchain? How do they work? What problems do they solve? And how can they be used? These details are explained and elaborated during the next few minutes. What is a blockchain? Blockchain is a distributed ledger open to anyone. It is a chain of blocks that contains information. Once data is recorded inside a blockchain, it becomes difficult to change it. So it is immutable and irrefutable. Let us now see how the mechanism and the network of blockchain works. Each blockchain contains data, the hash of the block, and the hash of the previous block. For example, the Bitcoin blockchain stores transaction details like sender, receiver, and the amount of coins. A hash is like a fingerprint, identifying a block and its contents uniquely. Changing something inside the block changes its hash, which helps detect the changes. The hash of the previous block links the blocks together, creating secure chain. The first block, called the genesis block, doesn't have a previous block. So only this block is unique in the whole system of the blockchain. Now, after knowing the elements and specific details about the blockchain, let us further delve into how the tampering and security in the blockchain is ensured. Tampering with block changes its hash, making all following the blocks invalid. Computers are quickly recalculate hashes to make blockchain valid again. Blockchains use proof of work, a mechanism that slows down new block creation. For Bitcoin, it takes about 10 minutes to add a new block. If the difficulty level is less, then if it becomes too easy to create a block, it is readjusted. Similarly, if the difficulty level is more than 10 minutes, again it is readjusted so that on an average, for every 10 minutes, a block is created. Proof of work makes tampering difficult, as recalculating proof of work for all the following blocks is very hard. Blockchain also secures themselves by being distributed using a peer-to-peer network where anyone can join. When a new block is created, it is sent to everyone on the network. Each node verifies the block and adds to it to their blockchain. Consensus and tampering. All nodes in a blockchain network agree on which blocks are valid. Tampered blocks are rejected by other nodes. The tamper To tamper with a blockchain, you would need to alter all blocks in a chain, redo the proof of work for each block, and control more than 50% of the peer to peer network, which is nearly impossible. Hence, this makes the network immune to tampering. Smart contracts. Blockchains are evolving. One recent development is smart contracts, which are simple programs stored on the blockchain that automatically exchange coins based on certain conditions. Blockchain applications. Yes, it is being applied in various different areas. The technology has sparked interest and still it is evolving in the coming ages as well as finding new applications. For example, like storing medical records, creating a digital notary, or even collecting taxes. So, in all these areas and space of activity, the application of blockchain can be very important because of their unique features, as we have elaborated earlier. Even the land records can be securely stored, making the blockchain technology very much applicable to the rural as well as farmer friendly approaches. The agriculture applications, apart from this, they are also important in tracking the supply chains where the particular consignment or seed sale can be easily tracked. So this avoids subsequent uh, claims and disclaims when a particular commodity is sold and it is easily tracked. All nodes in a blockchain network agree on which blocks are to be accepted and also validated. So, in the following few minutes, we have learned more details about the blockchains, how they work, and also why they are having unique characteristics of irrefutability, immutability, and avoiding middle or third party contacts on the first case. And similarly, how any mechanism which changes the blocks will be difficult and almost impossible. Also, being a mechanism of ensuring the genuinity of addition of the blocks, the average time of creating a block of 10 minutes also makes the network very much useful, also secures the overall difficulty level to the particular extent so that it is not too easy or it is too difficult. And also, when a block is added, there will be rewards to the new block developer in terms of coins. And in this context, there is also uniqueness of the first block or generator block, which doesn't have the previous block. So in general, the hash functions, the connection of block to the next one, and also ensuring that any changes in the blockchain are not possible easily and following the set rules are important. And finally, the applications of the blockchain are manifold and new and prospective applications of the technology can be fully explored in the coming years. So thank you for watching and hope we will be having update and about this technology as well as new applications in the coming weeks and days. Thanks again.